In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders externally in OneDrive and SharePoint, a crucial skill for collaboration and workflow management. Whether you're using OneDrive for work or school within Microsoft 365 or SharePoint, understanding how to safely share your content while ensuring security and permissions are properly set is key. Let's start with OneDrive. First, you'll need to open OneDrive online. You can do this by heading to office.com or launching the OneDrive app. Once you've signed in, navigate to the specific file or folder that you want to share. Selecting it is easy. Either check the circle next to it or right-click and choose the Share option. This action will open the sharing dialog where you can decide on your sharing method. One of the common ways to share is by choosing Copy Link. This option generates a shareable link that you can send to others. Before sharing, you have the option to adjust the link settings. You'll be able to customize who can use this link. Options typically include anyone with the link, people in your organization, or specific people. It's worth noting that if your admin has enabled it, choosing anyone will permit anonymous access, but otherwise, access will be restricted. Next, you can decide on the permissions associated with the link. Will users be able to view only, or will they have editing capabilities, allowing them to modify, upload, and more? A few optional extras might be worth considering. You can block downloads to ensure files can be viewed only, set a password for access, or configure an expiration date if that's part of your subscription offerings. Once you've tailored these settings, you can share the link via email or simply copy it to share as needed. If you've selected specific people, you'll typically enter their email addresses directly in the dialog and send from there. Remember, if you ever need to manage or revoke this access, OneDrive allows you to do so through Manage Access. Simply select the file or folder, head to Details or Manage Access, and there you can remove permissions or delete sharing links. Now for SharePoint. The process is quite similar, though it starts from a different place. Open your SharePoint site and navigate to the document library where your targeted file or folder resides. After selecting the file or folder, again using the check circle or ellipsis, click on the Share option. When choosing your sharing link type or recipient, you'll have similar options: anyone, people in your organization, or specific people external guests. Here, you also get to decide on permissions, whether users can view only or edit. Additionally, take advantage of settings like blocking downloads or setting an expiration or password if those options are available to you. Once configured, you can send your link or invite external users via email. Often, external users will need to verify via their email or be set up as a guest. Lastly, managing or revoking access in SharePoint involves heading to the library, selecting the file or folder, and using Manage Access or Shared With options to remove users or links. By following these steps, you can effectively share your files or folders in both OneDrive and SharePoint, while maintaining the necessary security and permission controls for your organization.